Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel Ashok Vlogs. In this video we will see the unboxing of ORAZO premium motorcycle riding boots. Just opening the box and let us see the boots. This is the boot. On the first look it is good. Let me take it out and inspect it thoroughly. The bike riding boots is out of the box and it's really impressive. Let us examine it thoroughly. It is having reflectors. It is having velcrow fastening system. So very comfortable to wear it will be, definitely. So this is the overall picture of the boot. Really comfortable after wearing. The boot is having protections also, steel protections, but very lightweighted, and it is really a good boot. Backside view of the boot. It's good looking. This is the sole and it is definitely good, very good looking boot and nice boot.